Welcome to Ignite, and my name is Miss Beth, and I want you to talk to you a little bit about what we do at Ignite. One of our main goals at Ignite is to ignite ingenuity, and ingenuity is a way of thinking creatively, and ingenious people think differently from others. They like to solve important problems, and they like to think outside of the box. Maybe all of their friends are solving a problem one way, and they go, I think I could solve it a different way. And they create an ingenious plan to make their ideas work. Ingenious people are also inventors. They come up with these new ideas. And not only do they think about the new ideas, but they invent them. They create an object and they build on those new ideas. Now, if you want to be an inventor, if you want to be ingenious, there are a few things that you can do to learn how to be even more ingenious. And there's a process called the design process. And at Ignite, that's something that we work on every time you come. Every class that you take, every camp that you take, we'll be looking at how to become more ingenious. Now, the design process has three main steps that we teach here at Ignite. The first stage is that you wonder and you plan. If you're going to wonder and plan, you're going to ask good questions. You're going to think, I wonder how I could make my balloon car even faster. You're going to wonder, I wonder if the size of my art bot will change its speed. You might say, I wonder how I can create a marble run that is faster, or a marble run that allows the marble to jump from one piece to the other. Or you might think, I wonder how I could create a walking cane from my grandfather that allows him to walk easily upstairs. I wonder if I can create a toy that my sister would like to play with. So if you're going to think about good questions, you need to stop and ask yourself not just what, but I wonder how. And then after you have an idea, maybe you have the idea, I wonder how I can make my balloon car even faster. You think about, I wonder what things move really fast and what do they all have in common. So maybe you wonder, I wonder if putting fins on the car changes the speed of the car. So you think about, what can those fins be like? What can they be made out of? And then you sketch your design ideas. See, if you look here, I've got kind of the base of my car. It says I'm going to need 4 wheels, I'm going to need a straw and a balloon, I'm going to need 8 popsicle sticks, and then I'm going to have to come up with paper fins. Maybe those paper fins are cut out of a small paper plate. Maybe they're cut out of paper. But the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to think about the problem, and then you're going to plan a solution. After you have your solution, then you're going to build it and you're going to test it. You're going to figure out, how am I going to put all of these things together? I need 8 popsicle sticks, and that means I'm going to have to glue everything together. I'm going to have to get my wheels on an axle, and they're going to have to be able to turn. How am I going to do that? And you're going to have to start building. Now, guess what? Sometimes when you build things, they don't go right the first time. This is a catapult that I built, and this catapult has a problem. When I built it, I did something wrong. What do you notice? The catapult shouldn't flip over. This end piece of the catapult should either hit the ground or it should hit this piece here so that the catapult doesn't fly all the way over. So after I built it, I tested it, I realized, it's not right. So what did I have to do? I had to go back to my plan that I had drawn, and I had to go back to my measurements, and I had to think through, how do I use different measurements, either with my foundation or with my catapult stick, so that the catapult works better. I didn't say, oh, I failed, I got it wrong. I said, I wonder why not. I wonder why it didn't work. And then I go back and I rebuild it, think about it again, and then I rebuild it. And then the last thing that we do with our design process at Ignite is that we share it. We like to take our designs and our inventions that we make, and at the end of class, we talk to our friends about what we made. We post pictures of it on the internet so that we can share it with our family members. If we come up with a really neat invention, then you might want to share it with somebody who can benefit from that invention. So when you come to Ignite, we're going to be working on your ingenuity, and we'll be using the design process to teach you how to be even more ingenious, to teach you how to invent, to be creative, think out of the box, and come up with new ideas. And I hope to see you at Ignite, and we'd love to have you, and so that you can learn more about ingenuity and you can build really cool things.